now is for people to keep staying away from others, and this will continue all next month. That's the latest guidance coming from the federal government, as President Trump now abandons the idea that everyone will be able to get out and about by Easter. NBC's Tracy Potts now on when we could see the virus possibly hit its peak here in the U.S.
President Trump is abandoning his plan to get the economy going again by Easter and extending guidance to practice social distancing until April 30th.
The better you do, the faster this whole nightmare will end.
The U.S. death toll from the coronavirus doubled in 2 days. The death rate isn't expected to peak for 2 more weeks.
If we do things together well, almost perfectly, we could get in the range of 100,000 to 200,000 fatalities. We don't even want to see that.
More than half the cases are coming from New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. So the CDC issued a 14-day travel advisory asking residents in those states to stay home.
This is not a lockdown. It is a travel advisory.
President Trump's in a battle with some governors accusing states of hoarding supplies.
They are holding ventilators. They don't want to let them up.
While states accuse him of playing politics, delivering masks and respirators more slowly to states run by Democrats.
This is not something that we should be fighting each other on.
The federal government promises help will come quickly since Congress approved $2 trillion to fight the virus. It's money desperately needed with jobless claims soaring and the economy in standstill. 2 of the country's largest insurers, Cigna and Humana, have said their patients who come down with the coronavirus won't pay a dime for treatment. No copays, no co-insurance, no bills. And President Trump is urging other insurance companies to do the same. Tracy Potts, NBC News.
Now, the U.S. Surgeon General is now taking a serious tone about the spread of coronavirus and its impact here. Dr. Jerome Adams posted on Twitter saying Indianapolis is an emerging hotspot for COVID-19. He says, quote, "We must now focus on flattening the curve and raising the bar in emerging hotspots like New Orleans, Chicago, Detroit, L.A., Miami, and Indianapolis. In Marion County alone, there are over 800 positive cases of COVID-19. Well, in just a few hours, we're expecting to hear from Governor Holcomb, who will give us an update on the battle against COVID-19 right here in Indiana. Along with the governor, we're also expecting to hear from State Health Commissioner Christina Box. That's set for 2:30 this afternoon. You can watch it live right here on Channel 13. And IndyGo is now making changes to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Happening today, riders have to board on the back of the bus. Also, IndyGo will operate on a Saturday schedule on Monday through Saturday. Sunday service will remain as normal. IndyGo will limit 1 rider per row, and all fares are suspended so people do not have to touch the fare box. Well, more than 2/3 of small business owners are worried about how the coronavirus is going to impact them. That's up from 16% earlier this month, but there is help available to them. Mayor Hogsett is now focusing on a multi-million-dollar plan that could help. When you take a look at areas like Broad Ripple, you see that it has a high concentration of small businesses, from restaurants, shops, and salons. Research shows 76% of small businesses have a negative impact from the coronavirus. Help could include some business coaching as well as loans to help businesses get through these tough times. We're going to hear more from the mayor later today right here on Channel 13 and on the WTHR News app. Well, the YMCA is now expanding its child care service to all essential workers in any industry. This is in addition to child care offered to health care and public safety workers. The program is for kids 5 to 12 years old, and the Y is limiting groups to 10 children or less per staffer. Now, it's not free, but there is financial assistance if you need it. And as many as 200,000 Instacart employees are going on strike today. They've been working on doing grocery shopping and delivering food to people across the country. But workers want to be compensated, saying they want hazard pay and better safety gear to keep themselves and their families safe.
A lot of us are really literally making the decision between, our health and our financial security right now.
Now, many of the big grocery chains in the country are boosting pay and increasing protection for workers, adding plexiglass to registers, installing social distancing reminders, and cleaning stores around the clock. Instacart workers are not the only ones striking. Amazon workers in Staten Island, New York are walking out today. They're they're demanding Amazon close their fulfillment center after someone tested positive for COVID-19 last week. Well, we have a lot of information to give you regarding the coronavirus, and you can find it all compiled on our website. Just head over to WTHR.com/coronavirus. We update all this information for you every few hours.